In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to improve your game performance and latency on your Acer laptop, specifically with windowed games. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best results, come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select System, and then on the right side, select Display. And then if you scroll down here underneath related settings, select graphics. And then where it says optimization for windowed games, go ahead and toggle that to the right to enable. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.